when I was growing, it was that our parents were poor, but they had certain values that we live by through all our lives, and it's something to emulate, because they even used to teach us with little gems, how to live. And I tried my best. I know I did wrong in many ways. I go astray. I did things that I should not have done, for which I ask forgiveness of God for it. But outside of that, we live according to good ethics. My parents are God-fearing. I have plenty of us. But my mother especially, she taught us to be loving to people, to be giving to people, and to always have respect for the older heads. That was a must, because if you go out the street and you misbehave, and Mr. James down the road see you, you are not getting away with it. He will either beat your bottom or go and report it to your parents. And your parents is not going to get up and go get a big piece of stick and go down the road, go down the school to go beat the teacher for that. So, nobody would get that. The child would be reprimanded and be corrected. Sunday, I live with that growing up stage. I remember a poem that, a couple lines